Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to add or change your cover photo on the X app with the latest update. Whether you're giving your profile a fresh new look or replacing an old image, this guide will walk you through every step clearly and simply. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to update. Once you're on the main screen, we'll have to look toward the top left corner and tap your profile picture. That's where your profile menu opens up. Next, select Profile from the list. You'll now see your current profile page showing your profile picture, cover area, bio, and other details. At the top right, tap Edit Profile. This is the section where you can make changes to your profile image, your name, bio, and of course, your cover photo. Now, tap on Cover. This will open your device's photo gallery, letting you browse for the image you want to set as your new cover. Choose a photo that represents your style, your brand, or the vibe you want your profile to have. Once you've selected your photo, you'll get the option to adjust it. You can zoom in, crop, or move the image around until it fits perfectly in the cover frame. Take a moment to get it just right. This is what people will see first when they visit your page. When you're happy with the way it looks, tap Save. The app will automatically update your cover photo and your new look will appear instantly on your profile. And that's it. You've just added a new cover photo on the X app. It's a small change that can make your profile stand out and give it a polished, refreshed appearance. Try it out today and make your profile truly yours.